So this recipe was inspired by, you know, the summer watermelon feta salad, but then I saw this beautiful pink glow pineapple that came into season. I thought, why not do the same thing, but with halloumi cheese, which is a cheese that you can grill or fry. Today we're pan frying it with some basil, some citrus, and boom. Pan fried halloumi. We're going to slice this up. We're gonna add some little baby basil leaves. Need a little bit of acid, a little bit of lime, a little bit of olive oil, some flaky salt. So there you have it, our beautiful fresh summer salad. Beautiful pink glow pineapple with that pan fried halloumi cheese. So good. Enjoy.